Guys, today I will tell you how to insert a drop down menu in an Excel file. Guys, many times we have to select our data from the list of menus, and there are many options given to choose from, like sex, male or female, like month of the year or weeks of a day. So today I will tell you how to create a drop down menu. Guys, there are two methods of creating a drop down menu which I will tell you today. So, the first method I will show you here, and the second method I will show you here. So, let's start with the first method. I say I have to create a drop down menu of months of a year in this cell. So I have just highlighted the cell, and I have to create this value. So what we will do, I will go to the data, and under data I will click on data validation, and again data validation. So a pop-up window has come. Under that I will go to settings, and under the validation criteria header I will choose list. Now after choosing the list, it is showing me the source. Source is the thing, what is the data you want to enter in the drop down. So I will select this. I have already created the listed down the months of the year. I will just select all of those, click on enter. Now there are, if you see, there are other options also, like input methods or error alert. Now input message, what message should be there when the selected cell is selected. So I will let's say I will put it, choose month of the year from the drop down. This message is really helpful, as it will allow the user to know what he has to do. And there is an alert method also, like if he stops tries to write anything other than choosing a menu, it will give an error message. Say select from drop down only, and now I will just click it OK. So after clicking on OK, you will see it's showing choose the month of the year from the drop down. So if you remember, I have already created an error message also. So like I will try to write great. I have got a great and error. So it is giving me an error message that you have to choose from drop down only. You want to continue or not? So I will say I will continue. So again I will just click and go to the January only. So this is the first method of creating a drop down. Another method is say another method I will put it here. Again I will choose select the cell where I want to create a drop down menu. Say this time I want to write the name of the weekdays. Okay, so I have selected the cell. Again I will go to data. Again click on data validation. Click on data validation. Under settings, now again I will have the list, but instead of clicking on this I have to just write in the names of the weekdays, like Sunday, Monday, Again, I will just input the message like select the weekday from the drop down, and I will click it OK. So a pop-up message has come that in this cell I have to select the weekday from the drop down. So I will click on this arrow and choose my any day. So guys, this is how we create a drop down menu in an Excel file. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. Do share it with your friends and click on the subscription button and like my video. See you again in a short time. Thank you. Bye bye.